Hey guys, welcome back. It's me Rajan Sharma, and in this video, we are going to learn another new feature that we will add in the application Chatted. Okay, guys, so in this video, very first of all, as you have seen in the thumbnail, that we are going to implement a functionality of sending notification of message reaction. Okay, like Instagram, like WhatsApp, when some user will react on the message that you have sent to them, so you will receive a notification that user have reacted this on this message. Okay, very important thing. For the source code of this complete project, you have to visit rajansharma.com. Okay, for Indians, you can pay with QR code, you can pay with Paytm, Phone Pay. For those who are not Indians, they are trying to make international purchase, you can use PayPal, okay, for sending money. Now after that, so very first of all, what you have to do is you have to create a method. And where you have to create a method, let me show you. Very first of all, you have to open the message activity. As you can see that I am working on it. So message activity, then on start, inside this try and catch, then expand this, then here. And just after this integer for reactions, you will see a method which is reaction pop up, new reaction pop-up. Then click on this, and inside this try and catch, you have to open the sender, I mean receivers part. Okay, RC code equals to 2. It means that you are reacting on a receiver's message. Fine. So there you have to create a method which will be send reaction notification, and we will pass two parameters. Number one is the position of emoji on which they are reacting, on which you are reacting. Okay, and SUID is the ID of the user who we have to send the notification. Okay, because he is the sender. As you can understand by SUID means sender UID. Okay, here we are actually getting it. Fine. So now after creating this method, what you have to do is, now I will show you the codes of this method, that how actually we will handle everything inside it. So very first of all, you can see that here I have given it receiver ID, so you guys will not be confused that what exactly this is. Okay, so it is ID of receiver, or let's say for example that it is the ID of sender who have sent the message, but now you will react on it, so it will work as receiver. Okay, because that now that user becomes receiver. Yeah, so logic is very simple. Okay, so guys, very first of all, we will fetch the token of that receiver user from Firebase database, which we have already stored. So the process is very simple. Firebase database, get instance, get reference, child tokens. Then after that, child receiver ID, then child token. We will get the value in this string, which is user token. Fine. Now after that, you have to create a handler, and the handler timing is 1 second. Okay, you can see the code of handler. Inside this handler, we will use switch case. That is a very simple process. Okay. So very first of all, you have to create switch, pass position as the parameter. Okay, and then we will do the validation in 5 or 6 cases. So case number 0 is user have reacted this to message. Okay, now here you have to make sure that you have to pass the correct emoji, okay, in order to send right reaction to the receiver. Okay, because see, in the method where I am generating this integer, so you can see number case 0 is thumbs, here love, here laughing, crying, or confused, angry. Okay, so you have to maintain this position and sequence. Okay, so now when the case is 0, so I am sending a thumbs up. Okay, that user have reacted this, and here I am passing the sender's name, and here I have declared a string which is global string. Okay, and you have to initialize it. You can let me show you, otherwise you guys will think that is not showing the codes. So this is a string, global string, which I have declared, and here I have initialized it, passing no value, but you just have to initialize it. Okay, sometimes it may create crashing because null pointer exception. That's why for avoiding that error, just initialize it. Fine. Now after that, come back to the method, and yeah, the case number 0 is user reacted this. Okay, now case number 2 is s name reacted this to your message. Case number 2 is or case number 3, okay, is going to laughing. Case number 3, crying, then confused, and then angry. So this is a complete part. This is how we will handle the message that we have to send to the receiver. Okay, so now after this switch and case, just close it. Now you can see that I have shown you the complete codes, and if you don't want to write all the lines, you can simply go to rajansharma.com, make a purchase, and you will get all the codes. Fine, thank you. Now after that, you have to do the codes for sending notification to the receiver. Okay, so for that we will use Firebase FCM notification sender, which is a class. Okay, and you will get its code on rajansharma.com. Here the complete code is available. Okay, how we are sending the notification. So for its code, you have to visit rajansharma.com. So very first of all, you have to write FCM notification sender, then notification sender. After that, new FCM notification sender. Here you have to pass a token that we have retrieved just from the server, and the title is going to be chatted. Here you can make the title of application name, receiver's name, but I just like to it to be chatted. Okay, yeah. Okay, so after that user token, simply pass title and the string that we have generated, notification reaction, then get application context, message activity dot this. After that, notification sender dot send notifications. So guys, this is what you have to do. Okay, and after following all these steps, when you will react on a message of a receiver, so the receiver will receive the message that this user have reacted this on your message. Okay, so as if you want to implement this functionality, simply visit rajansharma.com and you will get all the codes there. Okay, I hope you guys like this functionality, and I'm also trying to make some new cool features, okay, in this application. So thank you for watching, and for source code you just have to visit rajansharma.com. Okay, and thank you for watching.